Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder from oats. Making your own oat protein powder is a fantastic way to boost your nutrition economically. Oats are a wonderful source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. This guide will walk you through a straightforward process, requiring just a few minutes of your time and basic kitchen equipment. You'll be able to enjoy a versatile, homemade supplement in no time. To begin, gather your main ingredient, 2 cups of rolled oats. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Next, lightly toast your oats in a dry pan over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial as it deepens their flavor and helps remove moisture, ensuring a finer powder. Remember to let them cool completely before moving on. Once your oats are completely cool, transfer them into a powerful high-speed blender. Blend on the highest setting for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. The goal is to achieve a very fine, flour-like consistency. You might need to pause occasionally and scrape down the sides of the blender to ensure everything is evenly processed. For the smoothest possible powder, sift the blended oats through a fine mesh sieve, discarding any larger pieces. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness of your homemade oat protein powder. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. It will remain fresh for up to 3 months. This versatile powder can be easily added to your daily routine. Try incorporating 2 to 3 tablespoons into your morning smoothie, or mix it into baked goods such as muffins, pancakes, or even energy balls for an extra nutritional kick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.